go to the animal sanctuary to see real penguins.
Yeah, they must be loving the snow. Telepup, can you please get us there?
Penguins are funny!
And so cute! Oh, double the penguins is double the cuteness!
Mila, what's double of double?
Double of double is trouble!
We better get those penguins back before they turn Petport into Penguin Port.
Never help!
Let's go!
I'll help you stop those sneezes, okay?
Shoo! Get off my beautiful statue!
Don't worry, Mr. Mayor. We'll help you. Come here, you.
Oh, thank you. You're safe now. Mwah.
No, Doubler, you did it!
More penguins!
It's okay, buddy. I've got your back. I mean, nose.
We need something big and fast to collect all these penguins.
Oh, Morphle now!
Morphle, use your stretchy arms to catch them.
Nice penguin picking.
Doubler, do you think you can undouble all these penguins?
Any more sneezing? Sure.
Great, do your magic, buddy.
There's no way we're getting them back now.
Maybe there is. Penguin costumes.
Mila, you know I love dressing up, but is now really the time?
You'll see. We'll be back in a sec, Morphle.
Okay, Mila!
Take us home, Telepup.
Oh. Mila, giant penguins!
Morphle, morph into a giant penguin and lead these silly guys home.
Morphle, let's morph! Squawk, squawk! Squawk, squawk,
Wow, it's really working. You're a genius, Mila.
Aw, thanks, Jordy. I couldn't do it without you and Morph.
Squawk, 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 squawk! Squawk!
Here, you can have all the fun you want without bothering anyone.
I'm not sure Mr. Elephant agrees.
The babies are up on that roof. Morphle, I need to have a better look. Good thinking, Morphle. Woohoo! Whee! Aw, they're so cute. Oh no! Stay away from the edge! Morphle, get us up there quick, but don't scare them. Oh, they are really excited to meet you, Morphle.
Hello, babies!
Look out!
Morphle said babies!
Cuteness overload. Great work, Morphle. I want to be like you, Morphle. Look, morphing makes them tired. Catch those babies!
Here you go, one ice cream.
Aw, cute! It The baby Morphles can only morph once before they have to rest. Morphle, morph into an airplane. Yes! Let's take them to the Magic Pet Center. Daddy will know what to do.
Oh, real baby Morphles? This is incredible! I wonder what their names are. Oh, that must be their names. Nice to meet you, Moe, Fifi, and Lily. How would you like to live with us?
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. And 3 magic babies. Oh, I missed. Your turn, Jordy. Oh, I missed too. Bigger, please. Thank you. Good thinking, Morphle. Winston, are you okay?
What? I wasn't crying, but I can't find my cat, Claude.
I don't know what I'd do if I'd lost Morphle. Where did you last see Claude?
At the animal sanctuary. I was halfway through giving him a present, and he ran off.
Well, let's go back and have another look.
I guess that makes sense.
Claude!
Where is he?
Inkra, could you shrink that head to see if Claude is behind it?
Well, he's not there.
Could you shrink those trees, please? Tiger! Morphle, morph into a speedboat! Phew. We'll be safe here.
This isn't the cat I wanted to find.
Morphle, get us out of here. We're safe. Did we just get sneezed up by an elephant? We have to find Inkra and get back to normal size. Monkeys! Morphle, do something! Quick, Morphle, go into that cave! Save us! Save us! Yay! We're safe!
But we still haven't found Claude.
Don't worry, Winston. We'll find him. Let's go back to the Magic Pet Center to think where Claude is. Huh? What's that? What?
Claude! I was so worried about you. Would you like the rest of your present?
So cute! I'm not sure Claude agrees. Frog catch! Yes!
That's the magic pet Winston wants! Quick, get him!
The bandits! Lava Frog! Watch out!
Yeah!
Gotcha, Froggy.
We need to save Gobble Frog!
Morphles got bandits!
I think he likes you, Rudge.
Get ready now!
Hey, no fair.
Oh, part of my plan. Yoink! You're a genius, Winston.
Where did he go, Morphle? I can't see anything!
Morphle,
Great thinking, Morphle. Okay, let's see. A tree, a car, a furry monster. Ah! A furry monster! Oh, it's just a stray cat.
Meow.
Winston's at the junkyard.
Hello, Froggy. I'm Winston, but you can call me smartest kid alive. Yowza! Whoa! I've got the best magic pet.
Leave Gobble Frog alone, Winston. You can only have a magic pet if it's your magic match.
Like Morphle Mila.
Give me a break. Hey! That's my car, dude!
Winston, when Gobble Frog is scared, he eats everything around.
Morphle, help!
Get your hands off my pet!
Let's get after him, Morphle!
A giant frog? Not in mouth.
Who can stop us?
We can!
Beep, beep.
Okay, maybe this wasn't such a genius idea after all.
Morphle, I know what we need to do.
Okay, Mila.
Easy, Gobble Frog. We'll help you feel better with a nice, big...
Morphle hug.
Ugh, this is the worst birthday ever!
Huh? It's your birthday? Well, no one should be sad on their birthday. Not even bandits.
A present? For me?
Morphle present.
Huh? Hello, cat. I'm Winston. Smartest kid. Hey, stop! That tickles.
Wow! That star flew super fast across the sky.
That's a shooting star. Take a look.
Wow!
If you wish on a shooting star, the wish will come true.
Shooting stars make wishes come true?
Morphle get star. Make wishes.
Let's go somewhere higher up so we can see the shooting star better. Like on top of a mountain. Morphle, morph into a super suit.
Morphle. Morph, morph. Morphle, go faster. Get star first.
Morphle, morph a jetpack onto the super suit.
Morphle, take shortcut.
Morphle's going the wrong way.
Morphle win. Woo!
That mountain is a volcano. You need to get off it now.
Morphle catch star. Get wishes forever and ever.
Morphle, no! We've got you, Morphle.
Morphle wanted to catch star.
Stars are a lot farther away than they look. I think we should all make a wish together.
Together?
Morphle, morph into a magic flying house.
Morphle. Morph, morph.
Oh, look at that star. And that one.
Morphle get star.
Morphle, you caught a star.
wishes?
Yes! Let's do it! Morphle, Orphle, close your eyes and make a wish. I wish every day was a magical day with magic pets.
Jordan, Jenny, is our animal costume show super exciting or what?
Totally!
I'm super excited too.
Hey, kids. We're gonna get Aunt Augustine so she can watch the show with us.
Okay, Daddy. What animal are you going to be, Morphle?
Morphle now! Morphle play too!
Orphle? Okay, you can be in the show, but you have to choose a different animal. Morphle's already the lion. Oh, no. Orphle, bring the stage back. Daddy and Gianna will be back any minute with Aunt Augustine.
Let's go!
Yeah! Get after him, Morphle! There he is! How are we going to get our stage back?
Oh, Morphle now!
I bet you can't jump through a moving hoop, Orphle.
Orphle can! See?
Shrub Cup, don't let him get away!
Orphle's stuck!
Way to go, Shrub Cup! Now we've got to get the stage back to the Magic Pet Center. Morphle? Woohoo! Yeah!
Orphle's stage!
Thanks, Morphle. But now what do we do? The juggle set's ruined.
Hello, kids. I can't wait to see your show.
Sorry, Aunt Augustine. We don't have a set. No set, no show. Wait! Shrubka can make the jungle. Awesome! Yay! Not again. Hey, why can't there be 2 lions in the show? Well, I don't see why not. Great catch, Jordy. Throw it to me. Oops. Dun 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 dun. Wow. Hi, I'm Theo, but you can call me Super Theo.
Hello, Super Theo.
Watch me fly. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Litterpug can make you fly for real. He's a magic pet. Wait, what? Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Whoa! I'm flying. Cool, right? You'll be able to fly until Glitterpug zaps you again. I'm actually flying. They're a magic match.
Like Mila and Morphle!
Oh, I'm matched with a pet who can make me fly. Best day ever! Make me fly too. Winston! Yeah! I'm flying! This is awesome! Winston doesn't know how to fly. We have to save him. And Super Theo will help you. Let's go! Super Theo to the rescue!
flying children. Only in my city.
Whoa! Hi, Officer Freeze! Glitter Pug! Zap Winston!
Whoa!
No! Now Winston can't fly!
I can't.
Whoops! Quick, Morphle! Morph into a superhero! Whoa! Gotcha! Great catch, you two. Now that was a real superhero moment.
Put me down immediately.
What a super day!
Hey everyone! Look what I made! For my best friend.
Yay!
Morphle? I wanted to give him his badge.
What's this?
Oh, I don't know where he is. Don't worry, Mila. We'll find him together. Thanks, April.
Where should we look first?
Let's go to all the places he loves, starting with
The ice cream truck.
Oh, a best friend badge for me. Morphle need badge. You're not taking my badge. Can't find us here.
Geraldo. Have you seen Morphle? Oh no! Morphle's in trouble! I have to help. But how do we get up there? Morphle! Mila! Are you okay? Bandits mean! Morphle, morph into a super suit so we can stop them together. Morphle! Morph, morph!
Oh.
We need to go faster! You stop right there, bandits!
Oh, fine. Here's your badge. Wait, you didn't make that for me?
Morphle, did you make this for me? I love it! Are you sad because you didn't get a badge? Mila make Morphle badge! Of course! You're not only my best friend, you make every day a magical day.
Butterfly! Did you hear Daddy's got a surprise for us? Morphle loves surprises.
Here I am.
Wow!
Whoa! It's a train.
Who wants a ride?
Me! All for one train!
Whoa!
Oh no!
Morphle's taking the train on a joyride.
And he doesn't know how to drive it! We'll get the train back, Daddy!
Be careful!
Here's your cake, Officer Freeze.
Watch out! Whoa!
Kids, be careful.
Look out, Morphle! Oh, man. How are we going to catch up to Orphle now? Oh, like that. There he is. Wait, does Orphle know you can't drive in sand? And now he's stuck. Choo-choo, now go! No train for anybody, Orphle. If you don't get it to the park. Orphle, sorry. We forgive you, Orphle. Come on, buddy. Thank you. I have an idea. Let's fly it there, Morphle. Yahoo! Yeah!
Thanks for getting the train back.
Yay! Orphle's train! Orphle. Okay. Everybody's train.
We learned about fire safety in school today, Morphle.
Ooh, fun!
Good thinking, Morphle. Now we're ready if there ever is a fire.
Smoke!
Morphle, I know how we can put out the fire. Mr. Vanderboos, are you okay? Morphle and I saw smoke.
I was just trying to barbecue.
Oh, we're sorry, Mr. Vanderboos. You know what they say, safety first.
Yeah, and hungry second.
Be on the lookout in case anyone else needs our help, Morphle.
Okay. Huh?
I smell smoke! There! Morphle, we're gonna need a big fire truck to fight this fire.
Okay, Mila.
This way, Morphle. Let's use your fire hose and put it out. Mr. Vanderboos, what are you doing here?
Can't a guy barbecue anywhere in peace?
Oh, no! Oops. But it's better to be safe than sorry.
I am safe. At long last. No one can bother us here. Let the barbecuing begin. Fire! 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 Oh!
It's a real fire this time!
Oh!
Mila, Morphle, boy, am I glad to see you.
Barky! Somebody save Barky!
Morphle, morph into a dump truck. That's how we'll put the fire out. Quick! Scoop up lots of sand.
Good thinking, Mila.
Now dump it on the fire.
Oh, great job, Mila and Morphle.
Thank you, firefighter Stacy. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.